Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to find your Shopify store link. So without further ado, let's start! Now go to your web browser and then search for how to find Shopify store link. After that, we can see right here the Shopify website, and here you'll see how do I get my URL from my store, Shopify community. From here, we can see the step-by-step process on how we can find your Shopify store link. First, log into your Shopify admin, and then look in the URL address bar at the top of the screen. From there, you can see storename.myshopify.com/admin, and then you'll see storename.myshopify.com. That is now your base Shopify URL. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.